Hello everyone. This is going to be a happy birthday flipbook. I'm hoping that you'll share this video with anybody that you know that's having a birthday. From beginning to end, this video took about 12 hours to complete, and I drew the words happy birthday with the word happy coming from the top slowly down and the word birthday coming in from the right, and it's going to move to the left and then it's going to scrunch together and then it's going to stretch back out. And as it stretches back out, the balloons will start coming up from the bottom, and one balloon is going to be in front of the lettering, one balloon is going to be behind the lettering, and the third balloon, the green one, is going to be stuck at the bottom of the lettering until the letters start to disperse and go away, and then that opens the area for the balloon to move. Each page took about 2.5 minutes to draw, and there's over 110 pages. Actually, I think I had to draw an extra 10 pages because of all the mistakes I made. When I was coloring, rather than alternating colors from blue, yellow, I would just continue coloring all blue and not paying attention. I think my mind was in another zone. Quite easy to zone out whenever you're repeating the same picture over and over. I recorded this portion in time lapse just because I'd like you to see how the balloons are going up into the air little by little, and that will just give you an idea of how far to move every moving part whenever you are moving something. Okay, so this is so boring to watch, just drawing the same things over and over and over. I guess I'm going to tell you a few birthday riddles. So the first one goes, what do you always get on your birthday? Answer, another year older. Well, it sounds like the kids didn't like that one. Let's try another. Second riddle, what did one candle say to another candle? Don't birthdays burn you up? The third riddle is, what does a clam do on his birthday? He celebrates. Well, I hope these riddles made you smile more than groan. I hope they weren't too corny. This is the birthday cake template that I made because I wanted to know exactly what the birthday cake was going to look like. And this is how it's going to slowly be rising up into the picture. So with this template, I will trace about 1/4 inch at a time until the birthday cake is in position. This is where the happy birthday letters are dispersing off of the card, and the green balloon is now able to be released into the air, and the birthday cake is rising up into the picture. The birthday cake is now in position, and I brought in a match 1/4 inch at a time coming in to light the candle. When the candle is lit, the match is going to go back out of the picture, and the candle on the cake will burn and the candle will begin to melt. This is where I begin to color, and I made so many mistakes and had to redraw the pictures over again because I kept forgetting to alternate my colors. But eventually, I think there's a few mistakes in there, but the flip through is so fast I don't think you can notice it, but I'm letting you know that it's there if you want to take a look at it. I put the blue over the yellow on an A, and it kind of turned it green, but still okay. Right here, here's a mistake. This is where I forgot to alternate the colors. Had to redraw this one over. Well, I will fast forward and I will spare you the agony of having to watch this coloring over and over and over of the same picture. This is a flipbook tip. Take your cards, your drawings, your markers, and visit with somebody that likes to color, like my sister and my niece here. And as soon as they saw me start coloring, they wanted to help out. I gladly handed it over and let them finish up the coloring. Saved myself about 3 hours. They look like 2 little busy bees coloring here. Next best thing to an adult coloring book. This worked out so well. This helped me out so much, and it was a really fun way of visiting with my sister and my niece. I plan on doing some more of this. This was really satisfying watching her fill in the purple. Thank you, Carol, and thank you, Marie, and thank you for your awesome coloring skills. It was a really fun night. Okay, my artist. Hello.
Okay, hold on.
At 44.
I thought I was just warning
What's that?
I said, I hope I don't have food in my teeth.
Do I?